More than 60 eat this first to prevent muscle loss and weak legs. There's something going on in your body every morning, if you're over 60, that hardly nobody discusses. And it could be the true cause of your legs feeling heavier, weaker, or less stable than they once were. It's not only aging, as most seniors believe. You can start fixing it tomorrow morning, because it's a lot simpler. Your body wakes up weak after going an entire night without food or water. Additionally, your legs will gradually lose strength day after day if the first meal you eat does not provide the proper support for your muscles. At first, you don't see it, but it finally manifests in the most unpleasant manner. Feeling unsteady on stairs, having trouble getting out of a chair, or needing to cling to a wall in order to cross the room securely. The part that's frightening? This type of muscle loss is not particularly noticeable. Silently, it infiltrates. Even better, though, is the good news. You can put an end to it. It's even reversible. And with just one easy decision. Not with pills, nor with exercises you can't perform. Food consumed in the first hour after waking up. I'm going to show you today the precise meals that assist older folks feel more stable, walk with confidence, and rebuild leg strength. Everything begins with the first mouthful of the day. Your body isn't starting again when you get up in the morning. In fact, it is beginning in a vulnerable position. Your energy level is poor after going 7 or 9 hours without eating or drinking. Furthermore, at the age of 60, your body starts depleting your leg muscles, the lowest potential source of energy. Every night, this slow, silent breakdown occurs. Additionally, your body remains in muscle loss mode if you do not provide your muscles with the proper nutrients during the first hour of waking up. This explains why so many senior citizens begin to notice minor changes. Shorter steps, heavier legs, difficulty getting to your feet, or feeling unsteady till noon. Most individuals attribute it to getting older or having a restless night. The nighttime muscle breakdown isn't being stopped by the morning regimen, which is the true problem. Your morning meal functions as a switch. The correct diet can stop muscle loss, strengthen the tissue that has been weakened overnight, increase blood flow to your legs, and even stop cramps and stiffness. Your body continues to deplete your muscle strength every day if you have bad morning habits, such as only drinking coffee or skipping breakfast. That's why mornings are so important. Your legs will either get stronger or continue to deteriorate without your knowledge, depending on what you consume first. 2 complete eggs. If you're over 60 and want to preserve your leg strength, one of the easiest and most effective items you can eat in the morning is a whole egg. Yes, including the yolk. Leucine, an amino acid that functions as the on switch for muscle repair, is abundant in eggs. And because your body no longer reacts to leucine as strongly as it once did, this becomes even more crucial as you age. This implies that more of it is required to initiate muscle regeneration. One of the quickest and most natural methods to achieve it is using whole eggs. In fact, a University of Illinois study discovered that older persons who ate 2 whole eggs every morning for just 8 weeks shown significant improvements in leg strength, walking faster, and standing up stronger, all without the help of supplements or the gym. Iron keeps oxygen flowing into your leg muscles so they don't feel heavy or numb. Vitamin D helps with balance and coordination. Vitamin B12 strengthens nerves. Choline helps connect brain and muscle, and many more nutrients that assist the legs are found in the yolk. How you cook them is what counts. Choose boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled eggs with a little olive oil instead of prepared breakfast meats and greasy pans. Seniors in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s have added eggs back into their morning routine and reported significant improvements. Increased confidence with each stride, improved endurance, reduced swaying, and more steady walking. And the first step is as easy as keeping 2 whole eggs in your refrigerator. The third is chia seed oatmeal. Even though oatmeal can seem like a straightforward breakfast, adding only 1 spoonful of chia seeds can significantly improve leg strength in persons over 60. Oatmeal offers continuous, slow-burning energy source that helps your leg muscles wake up without feeling heavy or unsteady, in contrast to sugary cereals or white bread that cause your blood sugar to rise and fall. This is important because large fluctuations in blood sugar in the morning can hinder the absorption of nutrients, exacerbate inflammation, and make it more difficult for your muscles to heal after a long night of fasting. The addition of chia seeds elevates this meal to a whole new level. They are rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids, which older persons frequently lack and urgently require for healthy muscle contraction, improved balance, and less morning cramps. Chia seeds create a soft gel that keeps your body hydrated as they soak into the warm oatmeal, something that many elderly people find difficult, particularly after going without water for the whole night. Your legs won't feel stiff or lethargic thanks to that water, which also helps your nerves. If you want to increase it even more, adding a handful of berries to your bowl will offer antioxidants that preserve your muscles and joints without raising your blood sugar levels like sweet fruits or bananas may. Breakfast isn't supposed to be elaborate. It is to make it work. One of the simplest and least expensive ways to nourish your legs, lower inflammation, and improve your mobility throughout the day is to have a warm cup of oatmeal with chia seeds. Bananas are number 4. When consumed properly, bananas can be one of the most crucial foods for maintaining strong, stable legs. However, they are frequently misinterpreted, particularly by older persons who are concerned about sugar. About 400 milligrams of potassium, which is necessary for healthy muscle contraction, cramp prevention, and nerve-to-leg communication, may be found in one medium banana. It's typical to wake up with stiff calves, wobbly steps, or abrupt cramps that make walking uncomfortable or dangerous if you don't get enough potassium. Additionally, bananas aid in maintaining the proper fluid balance among your muscles, which is important after a long night without water, as many seniors have sluggish, dry, or heavy legs. However, timing and pairing are crucial. It's not advisable to eat a banana by itself, particularly if you have diabetes or experience blood sugar spikes. Small or slightly underripe bananas are better for blood sugar stability, since they contain more resistant starch and less sugar. Additionally, you may slow down the release of sugar and transform it from a glucose surge into a meal that strengthens your legs by eating it with a little spoonful of nut butter, slicing it into oatmeal, or stirring it into Greek yogurt. Even something as basic as include a tiny banana in a well-balanced breakfast helps many seniors avoid morning cramps, enhance their coordination, and provide their legs with the clean energy they require to remain steady throughout the day. 5. Greek yogurt. For those over 60, Greek yogurt is one of the most underappreciated morning snacks. One modest meal has a high amount of complete protein, including leucine and slow-digesting case, which instructs your body to stop breaking down muscle and start rebuilding it. This is despite the fact that it provides just what aged muscles need right after a long night of fasting. Seniors, who naturally lose muscle more quickly and frequently struggle to meet their daily protein demands, should pay particular attention to this. Additionally, Greek yogurt is a great source of calcium and vitamin D, 2 vital nutrients that promote bone density, muscle coordination, and general balance, all of which are critical for avoiding falls and maintaining independence. However, its probiotics are one of its greatest benefits. In addition to improving nutritional absorption and gut health, these beneficial bacteria also help reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to older adults' leg swelling, stiffness, and joint discomfort. Additionally, there are lactose-free or goat and sheep milk options that are easier on the stomach, even if you typically dislike dairy. Avoiding flavored kind with extra sugars is crucial, since they might raise blood sugar levels and cause inflammation. For flavor, add a tablespoon of almonds, cinnamon, or your own berries to plain Greek yogurt. Seniors who start eating Greek yogurt in the morning report feeling more energized, more stable, and less stiff all day. It all begins with a few spoonfuls. 6. Mineral salted sweet potatoes. Even though they might not be your first choice for breakfast, sweet potatoes can be a morning game changer for those over 60, especially when combined with a small pinch of natural mineral salt. Sweet potatoes give your muscles a consistent energy they need to replenish their glycogen stores after a long night without eating, without raising blood sugar levels like white bread or sugary cereals do. During the early hours of the day, when many seniors feel the weakest, their complex carbs help your legs feel lighter, steadier, and less exhausted. Better more, sweet potatoes are a natural source of magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals that have a direct impact on nerve function, muscular contraction, and balance are frequently insufficient in older persons. Low levels might cause cramping, unsteady steps, morning stiffness, and an increased risk of falling. The advantages are further enhanced by adding a pinch of mineral-rich salt. such as Himalayan pink salt or Celtic sea salt, which contain dozens of trace minerals that assist your cells stay hydrated and increase circulation, particularly in your legs. A little cooked sweet potato is really simple to make, tender and easy on the stomach. Add the mineral salt on top after lightly mashing it. Many seniors discover that this easy habit improves walking stability, eases morning leg pain, and provides them with a constant calm energy that allows them to move with confidence throughout the day. This simple breakfast dish is evidence that often the most effective solutions are also the most straightforward. You have a choice every morning, and for folks over 60, that option is more important than most people think. You can either begin your day in a way that depletes your strength, or you can provide your legs with the precise nourishment they require to remain stable, self-assured, and competent. It takes time to develop weak legs. Years of skipping breakfast, eating low-protein breakfast, and eating meals that just don't support aging muscles cause them to develop subtly, inch by inch. However, the good news is as subtle and potent. A lot of it can be undone with minor adjustments. A few spoonfuls of Greek yogurt, a bowl of porridge with chia seeds, a tiny banana combined with protein, a cup of eggs, or a cooked sweet potato. None of these call for costly meals, specialized supplements, or strenuous exercise. One morning at a time, these routine decisions help you rebuild your legs. I've witnessed elderly people who had trouble climbing stairs or who felt unsteady or exhausted simply by crossing a room gradually regain their vigor and self-assurance by altering their morning meal. You can too. Your freedom, independence, and ability to navigate the world with ease are all carried by your legs. Therefore, tomorrow morning, choose the foods that aid in your body's reconstruction rather than just reaching for coffee or skipping breakfast entirely. Select strength. Select stability. Select the self that still stands tall. The difference will be felt by your legs in the future. Please click the like button if you thought this video was useful. It is very beneficial to the channel. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you in the next.